तारा साहब एक आर्म लाइसेंस के बारे में एक केस था शायद, सुनने में आया था डिसीजन भी हो गया था। तो इससे शायद अरुणाचल प्रदेश में, क्योंकि जो आर्म लाइसेंस जैसे सुनने को आता है, जानने को मिलता है और लोगों से भी सुनने को मिलता है, पहचानने को मिलता है कि आर्म लाइसेंस लेना चाहिए लोगों का सेफ्टी सिक्योरिटी के लिए, या जो पर्पज़ होता है पर्पज़ के लिए, जैसे रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन के तहत। तो यहाँ अरुणाचल प्रदेश में बैन है, ऐसा हम लोगों को जानने को मिला है। तो आज हम लोगों को पता चला कि आम लाइसेंस का ऊपर में आपने एक बहुत बड़ा एक कोर्ट का एक लैंडमार्क डिसीजन भी है। तो डिटेल्स क्या है, थोड़ा सा लोगों को बताइए, सो दैट लोग कंफ्यूजन में ना रहें।
Yes, Manoj, see, on the 2nd of September 2016, the Principal Secretary Home, Government of Arunachal Pradesh, that was Satya Gopal, ji, on the approval of the competent authority, have issued one order completely prohibiting issuance of any arm license to any citizens. So per se we can say it as a blanket ban order. Now pursuant thereto, what had happened was, on 18th of December 2019, the Deputy Commissioner Isyang Pasigar have cancelled 109 number of arm license issues to the various citizens, and pursuant to that judgment, that decision of the Deputy Commissioner East Siang District, Mr. Sahnawaz Khan and others, and out of 109, I had a pleasure of appearing about 48 clients who came to me. So then some of my friends also have 2, 3, 4, 5. So then I was the lead counsel in that. Then I started arguing the case before the High Court. That is called Read Petition number 28, 2022. And finally it was heard on 24/8/2022. Then the court finds that the Principal Secretary or the Commissioner of Home is the appellate authority as provided under Section 18 of the Arms Act 1959 and the rules framed therein in 2006. So then my argument on the line was that the Commissioner, who is the appellate authority against the decision of the Deputy Commissioner, District Magistrate under Section 17 of the Arms Act, cannot issue a direction to the Deputy Commissioner to cancel the arm license. So therefore this Arms Act, to my understanding of law, was that it is dealt in Article 246, 7th schedule, least 1 entry 5. This is a law made by the Government of India. So therefore, being a central act, state government do not have the power to intrude upon the law made, the central law. In that view of my contention before the court accepted that state government has transgressed into the jurisdiction as the executive power as provided under Article 152 of the Constitution of India. So therefore, the order that you have issued on 2nd September 2016 was illegal, and this was quashed and set aside. Once this blanket ban order was interfered and quashed and set aside by the Honorable Court, now there is no more ban order for issuance of any arm license in Arunachal. So citizens can apply it, and then formal thing Government of Arunachal Pradesh can do is that, in pursuance to the order dated 24/8/2022, pass in Read Petition number 28 2022, can revoke that particular order in compliance of the Honorable High Court order. So therefore every citizen will get the arm license.
वकील साहब, जब आम लाइसेंस का ही हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं तो कौन कौन कैटेगरी के लोग आम लाइसेंस होल्ड कर सकते हैं या अप्लाई कर सकते हैं या ले सकते हैं, और आम लाइसेंस से क्या क्या होता है फ़ायदा, क्योंकि लोगों को किस कैटेगरी लोगों को आम लाइसेंस दिया जाता है सरकार की तरफ से?
You see, issuance of the arm license is prescribed in Part 3 of the Arms Act 1959. Any citizen who feels threatened for the self-defense and protection, per se to the right to life and dignity under Article 21 of the Constitution of India, can apply before the Deputy Commissioner to get the arm license. Read with the rules framed in 2016. So there is no categorization. Any citizen, because you see, this country basically follows the rule of law. मंत्री या संतरी का कोई मतलब नहीं. All are equal before the eyes of law. So in that country there is no such conditions that आप ये चपरासी है, आपको आर्म लाइसेंस नहीं मिलेंगे. मैं मंत्री हूँ, मंत्री को आर्म लाइसेंस ही सिर्फ देना है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. ये सबको मिलेगा जिसका लाइफ थ्रेटन है.
वकील साहब, एक चीज़ है, क्योंकि काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन बनते रहता है सरकार का, और इम्प्लीमेंटेशन भी कोई होता है कोई नहीं होता है. कारण क्या है कि पूरा मासेस में नहीं होता है या डिपार्टमेंट में नहीं जाता है. आप उसको किस तरह से लेते हैं, और इम्पोर्टेंस कैसा है ये रूल्स रेगुलेशन पॉलिसीज़ का?
Look, Manoj, in this country, laws are made by the parliament and the state legislature. And that apart, Supreme Court and High Court also lays down the law. But the laws laid down by the judiciary, the Honorable Supreme Court and the Honorable High Court, are not properly being reported by the medias across the country. Particularly in Arunachal, there are so many good judgments and the law laid down by the Honorable High Court. Say for example, this Panchayati Raj election was supposed to be held in the year 2018, but it was conducted in 2020. And in this context, there was a gentleman called Sangha Tagi, who is the former ZPC of the Kurunkume district. He approached me. I said, I have done it pro bono. So I have argued that matter before Nilay Datta sir, then Advocate General of Arunachal Pradesh, who is no more with us. I succeeded against Nilay Datta sir. Nilay Datta sir was known as Dion of the law in Northeast. And it is very difficult to argue against him. Somehow I won that case. And because of that, the Panchayati Raj election has held. Now similarly, your Lok Ayukta case also was argued by me. Then because of that, Lok Ayukta has been constituted. And now you see this State Human Rights Commission. I have filed the PIL and the government is on the verge of constituting it. Because I am told that the chairperson is supposed to be a retired High Court judge. There is a dearth of retired High Court judges to be appointed. Then you see the Child Right Commission. This is also another PIL that I have done. And then that Parliamentary Secretary Act, you are aware. I was part of that particular case, and that act was quashed and set aside. It was declared ultra vires by the division bench of the High Court. So some of the important laws laid down by the High Court of Guwahati is not properly being reported. So the media has a very important role to play. The media should now focus towards the judicial reporting also. I'll only suggest you, please come down to High Court. Every day there are important decisions. You come to High Court and interact with the advocates, and through advocates you can take permission. There are live streaming facilities now. The proceedings of the court can be live streamed, and let make it to public access how judiciary functions and what judiciary really do for the benefit of the citizens. So,
when it comes to your child's future, make no compromises. Enrolling Nalanda Academy coaching for decoding or regular classroom facilities. Experienced faculty members, dynamic teaching models, regular tests, and feedback to improve performance. Multi-Viva security system. Small size batches, hostel facilities, and many more facilities are available. For admission and any other queries, visit Nalanda Academy Coaching, G Extension, Nahan Lagoon. Call 6033824065.